Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video I'm gonna show you that how can you add watermark to your PDF form. So for this you just need to open a PDF file. I will just open it from my WPS PDF reader in my phone itself, and you can download it from Google Play Store also. So just open any PDF you want, like I will open this. This is wps.com and WPS PDF reader and editor. So in this you have to go on the tools on the left bottom and have to select edit option here, and now you just have to click on insert watermark, and you can edit your watermark also. Like if I will type ABCD in watermark, you can see the watermark is visible here. Also you can change the colors of watermark from here and just save it. You just have to click this, and this is paid software and you can do it same from other free and hacked software. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked.